Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to speed up your system. So let's get started. First of all, just check your task manager of system. Is there any program running at the background which is not required by you? Okay, secondly, come to this performance tab. You can see here your system's utilization and everything here, which application or which software is using your resources of system. So I can stop it if it is not required. If it is required, then it's up to you. Secondly, there is startup tab. Go to there and check which programs are running at the background and startup impact is how much. So in my case, this uTorrent has no startup impact because it is disabled. If there is any application which is having high startup impact, you can just disable it. Select it, right click and disable. Here you will get that option. Okay. Secondly, you have to go to run command tab, window button plus R and type there temp. It will navigate you to temporary files folder, but keep in mind you can get access to this folder only if this is your personal system. You cannot get access to this folder if your system is on domain or it is managed by any organization or corporate network, because it is mostly accessed by admins only. So if it is your personal system, just access this folder, select all and delete. These are just temporary files. Second option, if your system is on any domain or you don't have access to this folder, do the same thing. Go to run command bar, window button plus R and type there %sign temp and again %sign, enter. You will get access to this folder, temporary files folder. Do the same thing, select all files and delete them. Almost 1.7 GB data has been cleaned from my system's hard drive. These are the files while you are getting access to any software, file, program or like that. So these files are generated by those programs to access them in the future efficiently. Secondly, we have another option there. Just go to your startup bar and type there defragment. You will get to this one, defragment and optimize drives. Open that one and select your Windows operating system drive only. In my case, my system is having 2 hard drives, so I installed Windows operating system only in SSD drive, so I will optimize the same. It's done. Just close it, refresh and just reboot your system. Your system will be a little bit fast as compared to before. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, just put your comments in the section below. I will reply to your comments, and if there is any requirement to make any tutorial, I will create and upload. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.